Apple is on a 2-minute EWO to the upside, but remember, wait. The first 3 to 4 minutes, 4 minutes preferably, because that will tell you the full story if it's still going in that direction. But everybody be cool, right? So if you get in there early, you already know it could rip you apart. First 3 to 8 minutes is the most volatile time of day. Apple still to the upside, 2-minute EWO. Nice job over there, Apple 2-minute EWO gang. Should be looking pretty. Apple. 2-minute EWO gang. We called it at the gate. Been running. Beautiful. How are we doing over there, Apple 2-minute EWO riders?
Really, really good.
Yes.
85% on runners.
Oh my.
And you gotta love those Friday contracts already locked in over 3,000.
Oh my gosh. $3,000. Yes.
83% on runners too.
Yes. Yeah, Friday contract prices are so good too. So choice.
God, 90%.
Yes. Good job, 2-minute EWO gang. Q's to the upside. SPY to the upside. Apple still climbing. It hit 238.47. It did not dip. That is not where I collect. That is just consolidating right there. Do you see the difference? Look at that Apple 2-minute EWO. Do you see how I said that was not a pullback? That is not a shed point. Do you understand? Do you hear the sound of my voice?
That's right.
None of that pulled back. It just went sideways. Nothing pulled back. You do not need to get out of any of it yet.
Yep. Hands off the mouse.
It just went sideways. It did not go down.
Hey, Coach, is that the same for Tesla then? Does it seem like it's pulling back, but it's not going all the way down?
No, I haven't. We're looking at the 2-minute EWO for Apple.
Oh, God, okay.
Yeah. Tesla, I'm just scalping off of 1 minute.
Where would you have got in on the 2-minute, Coach? On Apple?
So I would have got in immediately, but I would have told all of you to wait for the second indicator to fully form after the bell. So it would have been right here at 235.20 is where you would have got in at.
Oh, 235.20. All right. Thank you, Coach.
Yep. By the way, Apple, you still have not shed, right? That is consolidating and not pulling back, right? Good job.